I'm Bernina expert Amanda Murphy, and this is how you use my 45-degree and 60-degree marking tools. We'll begin with the 45-degree tool. I can use the straight lines on the tool to find the center of my quilt block. This is also great for embroidery. There's a hole in the center, so I can mark the center of my block. One of the things both marking tools can do well is draw large circles. So here I've put a pin through the center of my block into my ironing board, and I'm going to go ahead and put my pen in one of the holes that radiate from center and draw a circle around the center of my block. So those circular markings on the marking tool indicate distance from center. Now I have a large circle. Placing my marking tool once again on the center of my block, I'm able to draw in each of the slots to get 45-degree lines. This is quick and easy. I do half the block and then I rotate the tool to do the other half of the block. If I'd like to further subdivide the circle, I place the dashed lines on my marking tool over the previously drawn lines, and then I again draw in the slots. I do one half and then the other half. So that's the 45-degree tool. The 60-degree tool works the same way. So once again, I can use the straight lines on the tool to easily find the center of my block, and then I draw in the slots to divide it up into 60-degree increments. This tool is extremely helpful for dealing with hexagon motifs as well. I'll do the 60-degree increments on the second side. And if I'd like to further divide up this circle, I can rotate the tool so that the dashed line is on the previously drawn lines and draw in all the slots again. So it's really simple. This tool can be used to create beautiful medallion motifs, find the center to quilt blocks, the center to embroidery blocks. I think you'll find the marking tools helpful additions to your studio.